Hey everyone, I'm Tricia Meyer. I'm the founder and managing attorney at Meyer Law. Thanks so much for joining me for the series on the 5 things you need to know and do when you first start a business. Today, we're going to talk about why it's important for you to have a founder's agreement in place if you're starting a business with someone else. Before we get started, please take a second to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our important business tips and strategies to help you grow your business confidently and keep it running successfully. And please hit the like button if you find this helpful. All right, let's go. So starting a business is exciting, and when you're starting a business with someone else, you're sharing big dreams and big plans, right? And in some situations, you might know your co-founder well. They might be family members or longtime friends. In other instances, maybe you just have met your co-founder. Maybe you met an event like Startup Weekend, or maybe you're bringing on a chief technology officer that you recently met through a colleague. In all situations, it is crucial to get a founder's agreement in place. A founder's agreement is also known as a shareholder agreement for a corporation or an operating agreement for an LLC. It makes sure that everyone's on the same page from the start, and it puts plans in place if there's a change in direction. It'll also lay out how the internal affairs of the business will be handled, and it defines the relationship and really forces you to discuss things that you likely are not considering as you start your business, including expectations between the co-founders, which is so important. It also will serve as a roadmap and a framework for how certain situations and issues will be handled. And listen, you don't think that these situations will happen, but they do, trust me. A founder's agreement should clearly define the roles and the responsibilities and the rights for each owner of the business. Co-ownership doesn't always mean equal ownership, and so each partner's percentage of ownership, as well as the initial financial investment and other contributions, should be clearly documented in this agreement. The founder's agreement should also outline how decisions are going to be made within the business and how disputes will be resolved. With any new business, it's really important that all co-founders have a very clear expectation from the beginning, and a well-drafted founder's agreement will do just that. If you skip this important step, it really could lead to costly and even disastrous consequences down the road. I get it. When you first start a business, everyone is very enthusiastic and optimistic, but the honeymoon phase winds down, and all successful businesses evolve over time. The truth of the matter is that circumstances and situations can change, and they often do. And unfortunately, many startup businesses fail to account for these future changes by failing to do this crucial step in the early stages of their business. If you have any questions about creating a founder's agreement for your business, feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. Thanks so much for watching.